Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do, not a blender video, a a silly blender video, just to make your mind blow. So this is just a fun thing to do. Oh my. Wait. My message is just sorry, my message just intersecting. Oh, that was lucky. So, in this video, we're gonna do something fun. It's just an experiment. So, select your icing. We're gonna make I'm gonna tell you. You'll see what I'm gonna do with the icing. We're gonna make it glow. So, go to the materials. Select your icing. Materials. Submission. Emission. And change this to a color that you like. So now it's glowing. I don't know what color actually. Let's check all the colors. Blue, purple, yuck. Pink, kind of. Yellow, no. Green, yes, kind of. Yeah. How about that? So, dual render. So this is just a fun thing. So make your icing glowing. Just follow what I did just now, and this is gonna be the fun part. Select your donut. Turn up the transmission. Oh my god! I know, don't do that. I was just playing with you. What's something you could do? Yeah, you make your icing radioactive and selecting your plate. Oh yeah, selecting your plate. Do that, and oh my god. Oh my god. Look what has happened to the plate. Uh-oh. You change that later back, okay? So no worries. No worries. Yeah. So if you go to oh yeah, I already did that. Yeah. Okay. So go back to layout and F12 for render. It's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. So image, save. And save it for glowing donut. And now selecting your icing, change the emission. You don't have to follow me. You can choose any color. Oh, this is a good color. Oh, this is a good color. You can choose any color. I'm just gonna use this. Press F12. There you go. And you rendered it. And then you save. Pink. And now if you want to change it back, selecting your plate, change the transmission down, select the icing. Wait, which? Oh. Selecting the icing, change the emission. Change it back. Like that. So, it's a short video. Let's do the experiment. Just to make a little picture. So what are you waiting for? Bye-bye. And just share it to your friends. Bye-bye. And please subscribe to my channel. Like. Press the bell. And I don't know why I'm whispering.